429 Adam, this is Central BCC. Adam Boy, Truck Unit 1, responding to 2189 Carroll's Road. High-risk warrant service.
Gold. Fall in on me.
Roger. Moving to you.
In position.
Red team. Mirror it. Check under the door.
Check. On it.
Blue team, need to get into
In position.
There's no one in sight.
Gold. Behind me.
It's all clear there. With you.
TOC, this is entry team. Civilian is injured but alive. Notify the
Police! Drop your weapons!
Entry team to TOC. There's a downed suspect here.
Roger. Waiting for your all clear.
Take a look.
Suspects.
Put your hands up and get down! Drop your weapons!
Forgive me, Taronne.
Suspect is
Police,
compliant.
drop your weapons!
Suspect spotted. Suspect is
Make
compliant.
him secure.
Copy.
You cannot
Suspect
stop him
secured.
from completing his mission.
Entry team to TOC. Suspect is secured and ready for
Take me
transport.
into your deepest dungeons.
Roger. Keep it
You
up.
will find me there.
You have the right to remain silent.
Goddamn
Shut up and
SOBs.
quit whining. Police! Get down now!
Damn it! My eyes! Oh, God, my eyes! Oh, God!
TOC, this is entry team. Suspect secure and ready for evac.
Copy.
Regroup on me.
Got it.
Oh,
Calling
God, my eyes!
On your 6.
TOC, this is entry team. Injured civilian ready for evac.
Copy.
Drop
EMT
the gun!
standing by.
Do it now!
Jesus, don't shoot! Don't shoot! Hey,
TOC,
wait!
this is
Why are
entry
you
team.
treating me like a
Suspect
criminal?
cuffed and secure for transport.
Just give it up.
Help me.
TOC, this is entry team. Found a DOA.
Copy. Medical teams notified.
Something sounds funny.
Police! Put your hands up!
Jam.
Shit!
Suspect in
Drop
sight.
your weapons!
Police, drop
Orders.
your weapons.
Drop! Stop them! Hands in the air! Get down!
TOC, this is entry team. Suspect down, secured, and ready to evacuate.
Roger. Contacting medics.
Bad guy spotted.
Police, put your hands up!
Suspect neutralized.
Drop the gun!
Suspect spotted.
Do it now!
How could I have
Suspect
failed?
compliant.
Drop your weapons! Get down! Hands in the air! No, don't shoot!
Bad guy compliant.
Entry team to talk. We have a suspect down.
Roger. Keep it up.
Entry team to talk. We have a DOA here.
Copy. We'll be ready.
Clear it. Move. Here we go.
Weapon
Gun
secured.
My
This ain't my
last
fault.
breath.
Strange suspect.
Weapon secured.
Red hand.
It will be his gift to me.
Stay with me. I'm on point. At your back, sir.
No! Where'd they come from? Drop your weapons! Hands up!
Suspect compliant.
Entry team to talk. Suspect is secured and ready for transport. Talk. This is entry team. Suspect is injured and in need of medical attention.
What the hell?
This is entry team.
Police! Get down now! Oh shit! Hey,
Suspect
don't
has
shoot!
complied.
Police! Police! Drop your weapons!
Tie him down.
Got it.
Taronne.
Entry
I
team
will
to
never
talk.
forget.
Injured suspect.
Regroup on me. With you, sir.
The police.
On the ground,
They're
now!
finally here. No, I'm down. No more shooting. No more explosions.
Drop your weapon! Get those hands up!
I will comply, but I will never surrender.
Drop your
Suspects.
weapons! Shit!
That one's getting
How can
away.
you contaminate
Orders?
our house? Leave. Leave at once. Run! In here!
Cuff that clown.
Yes, sir.
Tie up that
We'll
idiot.
get to you in a minute.
Take me into your deepest
Suspect is
dungeon.
restrained and is carrying
You will
evidence.
find
You
me
won't
there.
stop him.
Restrained
His
suspect.
plan will prevail, and we will be with him.
Entry team.
Well, what do we have here? Fall in on me. In position.
Talk. This is entry team. I have an injured civilian ready to evacuate.
Copy. Notifying EMTs.
Hands up! Police, drop your weapons! Drop the gun!
They may take
Do it
the
now!
vessel.
Suspect ready for arrest.
Unbound.
Doc
Talk.
entry
This is
team.
entry team.
Objective
Suspect secure and ready for
remains.
evac.
Nice work. Let's head back to HQ.